So today we're going to make a blackberry and blueberry cobbler. We put some xanthium gum on top, and now we're going to put some brown sugar into our
half a cup.
Half a cup of Swerve brown sugar.
And we're going to mix that up.
And now we're going to mix all of that up together.
We also added a little lemon juice to help break down the berries and give us some sauce. Frozen sugar will be a little clumpy, but it should melt as it's cooking. Okay. That's it. That's ready to go in your dish.
So now you're just going to put that in your dish and then cook it. And then we'll make some crumble for the top. And it'll be a delicious blackberry keto cobbler. So in just a minute, we will start making our crumble for the top. So we're making the crumble on the top now. For the top. We put some almond flour, and then we're going to put some.
These are sliced almonds. Any kind of nut I like to add.
And you also need to preheat your oven to 350.
Melt some butter.
He's a crazy looking guy.
Some melted butter.
Yeah, he's pretty cool.
And then we're going to put some Swerve brown sugar.
Whatever your favorite sweetener is, works. And then I'm just going to mix it. You want it crumbly. All mixed together.
Okay. So now we're going to put
See how the lemon juice and the sugar and everything kind of makes these real juicy looking? That's exactly how we want it. We're going to pour the berries into our dish. So get all the sugars stuff.
This is going to be delicious.
You just want it in one good flat layer so you can put the crumble on top.
It's delicious.
And you're going to take your crumble and crumble it.
And then we'll put it in the oven and cook it for about 20 minutes. And then we'll have a delicious blackberry and blueberry cobbler. So I'll see you whenever this baby's done. Okay, so the blackberry cobbler was so good. You can see it right here. It's delicious. And you should try it yourself. It's very easy, simple, and delicious. So, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.